Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today's lesson is about number 13, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to count, identify, and write the number 13. You know very well, it's very important to develop the sense of counting. So, we will take different objects. You could use the object from your classroom, but today we will go for nature walk. We will collect 13 flowers, 13 leaves. Okay. After collecting leaves and flowers, come inside the class, display these leaves and flowers, and count with the students like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 green leaves. Wow, beautiful flowers. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. At the end, visualize the students' note of 10. It's 10 rupee note and 3 coins. 10, 10 and 1, 11, 10 and 2, 12, 10 and 3, 13. Yes, same like this. Now, we will teach the students number 13. They are already familiar with number 1 and 3. So, let's start. Start from the red dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the red dot, make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make number 3. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. Wow, I hope so. You enjoyed this way of teaching. After that, you will tell this story. 13 lemons were packed for a picnic. They were going to be used to make lemonade. Yummy, juicy, cold. The lemonade which would be very refreshing. Yes, like this. I hope so. You will teach happily to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.